What's up, y'all? It is your girl Angelle, and welcome back to Angelle's Life. Today we have a double handbag unboxing, okay? And I'm really excited about this one because it is black owned. Yep, that's what I said. You heard what I said, girl. Now listen, it's like 10 o'clock at night. We're gonna run through this, so let's jump straight into it. But before we do, I just want to say welcome to all my new subscribers. Welcome back to all my day ones. What's up, y'all? How y'all doing? My name is Angelle. I run a style, travel, and lifestyle channel. So if any of that sounds interesting to you, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Also, click the notification bell to be notified when I upload a new video. Let's get into the outfit of the day. All right, y'all. So the outfit of the day, okay? Me. Bitch ain't going nowhere, okay? But I did want to come on here and remind you, you do what you want when you pop. Y'all, so the dress is from Akira, okay? They asked if they could give me this dress and I said sure. All right, now this is a part of their wedding collection, like, you know, wedding guests, girl. I wear this to the movies. You must not know about me, okay? Ain't that what the queen said? You must not know about me. And they don't. Cause I damn sure wear this to the movies. I wear this to dinner. I wear this wherever I want to wear this. Okay, girl, I ain't gotta wear this to nowhere. Girl, wear your clothes wherever you want to wear them. Okay, you do little tutu, little beep beep, wherever you want to go. But this is in a size small. Okay, love that. I have it styled with my Michael Kors Nola Diamante clutch and then my Michael Kors heel. Baby, nothing to it but to do it. Do you understand me? Very cute. Very cute, very over the top, very extra, very me, all right? There's that. Let's get into this video, because I told y'all it's late. And if I didn't tell y'all, it's late. I'm tired. But I had to show y'all this, so let's go. All right, y'all, so I have wanted a beaded bag for a minute now, because beaded bags have been trending for a while. And every time I would go in store and look at a bag, why I'm so loud? Why I'm yelling at y'all? What y'all done did? What y'all done did? Why am I yelling at y'all like that there? Let me lower the tone. Let me use my inside voice. I have been wanting a beaded bag for a minute. And every time I would go in store, you know, they would just kind of look generic. Nothing special about them, so I just hadn't gotten one yet. And I'm just scrolling on the internet and somebody says, I forgot where I saw it, but it was like black owned bag companies. Cause mind you, I only know two right off the top of my head, and that's Telfar and Brandon Blackwood. I've had a Brandon Blackwood bag. I sold it. I wasn't in love with it. I've never had a Telfar bag, but that's also because I'm not a huge fan of the Telfar bags, y'all. I'm sorry. I haven't seen any bags that caught my attention just yet. And also Silver and Riley. I believe Silver and Riley is black owned as well. And there are some Silver and Riley bags that I like, but they're just always sold out. Like the colors that I want are always sold out. Actually, and what is it called? Bacchanelli? Damn, I know a couple of them. Y'all talking shit here. I'm talking about I don't know two. Bitch, then just ain't 4-5. My goodness. I just be lying to y'all. Anyway, I found this one. I found a new one then. Okay, I know a couple, but I didn't found the new one. How about we just say that there, okay? And this is from Lala the Bead Maker, okay? It is a beaded bag. I got two different ones. Now, the box came a little beat up, but it's coming from, I think, Nigeria or something like that, so you could expect that. It says, we say it's handcrafted, but really it comes from the heart. That's super stinking cute. It also, now I did open it up, y'all, because I was so excited to see it, and my goodness, wow, I'm really impressed. It comes with a card and care tips and whatnot, so there is that. So first things first, what I want to say is I absolutely love that it comes in their own dust bags. The dust bags say Lala the Bead Maker, and these aren't like low quality dust bags, baby. Like, these dust bags feel better than the Coach and Michael Kors ones that I get. I'm not gonna hold you. I'm just being completely honest. I got to, okay? So the first one, y'all. First, something else. I don't know. The bag, the box, all of it smells so good. I don't know what type of African oil or fragrance they didn't put in here, but it smells divine. Like, these bags smell so earthy yet so regal. I cannot even explain it, but I don't know if it's the dust bag or if it's the bags themselves or what, but it smells so good. Anyway, I got two, right? I can't remember the price offhand, but they came up to about 300. So it was like 100 something a piece for each, right? That might be a lot for a beaded bag. I don't really know, but they're made by hand, or that's what she said on the card. So here is the first one, y'all. Is this not so? Oh my goodness. Is it? Oh my goodness. I could wear. It's the strap is big enough to wear under. The strap is big enough to wear under the to wear on the shoulder. Y'all, this bag is absolutely stinking gorgeous. Something else that I love about it, it says to make this long-term relationship, check my care card. Okay. Something else that I absolutely love about the bags, they feel substantial. I felt a lot of the other beaded bags and they were just all flimsy and just, this bag feels substantial. It has like a satin lining in it. And it has, this is an original Just Like You, XO Lala the bead maker, and a little heart symbol. Like, god damn, this smells good. I don't know what is in this, but it smells it does though. But like, yes, oh my goodness, yeah, it feels so substantial and so good. Like, this is the first bag and I'm excited. Now, clearly it's not a big bag, so it won't fit that much, but to be honest with you, if you know I'm wearing a beaded bag, I don't need it to fit that much. Oh my goodness, girl, what's going on? Why it won't zip up? Hold on now, unless I'm doing something wrong. Hold on. Okay, zipper seem a little janky, but the bag is gorgeous. Okay, y'all, I'm not finna be okay, there we go. It kind of like the zipper has to lay flat and it kind of has like a wave thing going on, but we got it. Okay, yeah, there you go. Gotta lay it flat, but the bag is absolutely gorgeous. I think I love the like the color on this, and we're gonna talk about, you know, what we're gonna talk about this later on when we style this up. I'm not doing it in this video, but that's why you should subscribe to my channel. You should subscribe to my channel to see how I style these bags that I got, that I'm absolutely in love with. Yes, tell me this is not gorgeous. 10 out of 10. So this is the first one. Let's go ahead and put it back in the dust bag. I love the fact, I was not expecting them to come with a dust bag, so the fact that they did, blown away, okay? And they feel good. Now this bad boy right here, she's heavy. She is heavy, and this is for good reason, y'all. Look at her. Oh my goodness. Look at this beaded bag, y'all. Divine. Gorgeous. Yes. Oh my god. Like, now this one could fit more. This is a heavy ass bag, okay? I'm not gonna lie to you, it's basically a weapon. There is just some stuffing in it, and on the care card it said to keep it stuffed, to keep its shape. So it's just stuffing in the inside. You can fit a decent amount of things in here for sure. I could fit the essentials in here. Will my cell phone fit, y'all? Let me see. Let's see if the cell phone gonna fit in here. Cause I don't know if it'll fit in that one. Let's see. It looked like the cell phone's gonna fit. Yeah, it looked like the cell. Yeah, girl, the cell phone fit in there just fine. This is heavy. I'm not gonna lie to you. This bag is heavy as hell. But I mean, is that not a good thing? One, I just feel like that means she used a lot of beads, which she did. This is the back, and then this is the front. Oh my God, look how gorgeous that is. Ow, that's so pretty. Okay, let me see if the cell phone fit in this one. But yeah, I can already see that the cell phone is gonna fit in it. Yeah, it'll fit. We ain't even gonna put it in there. But this is gorgeous. Look at y'all. Look at this bag. Hold on. Let me make sure we is let me make sure. Hold on. God damn it. Look at that. Has little butterfly gems on it with some sequin. This is just a gorgeous bead bag to me. Like, my. Show look good tonight, okay? Yes, y'all, I'm so excited. I'm so excited to wear this. I'm wearing it tomorrow. I say what I said. Yeah, I'm gonna wear this tomorrow because first of all, it's a weapon, okay? Let a bitch play with you, knock her upside the head with this, she out for the count. You gonna knock her lights out, baby, because this is a heavy ass bag. The heaviest bag that I own, for sure. For sure. But two, it's gorgeous. It's stunning. It's extra. It's over the top. Yes! Yes, I love it. I love it. 10 out of 10. And I think it was only at like 130. I want to say it was $150. I want to say this was $150 and I want to say this was $120. I want to say that was the difference in price for these two, but my goodness. But y'all, those are the two bags. I told y'all I'm not gonna hold y'all because it's like late as hell. Comment down below, let me know. I will link them in the description as well as the outfit of the day. Is this for this one? No, I think this is for that one. Comment down below and let me know, are we feeling the bags? I can't wait to style them up, okay? So freaking excited because these are genuinely gorgeous bags. The shipping didn't take too long. Like everything was just, like everything came in a really decent time. And I am just, I'm in awe. I am in awe and I'm excited and yes, 10s across the board. Shout out to Lala, the bead maker. These bags are phenomenal. Y'all, but that's all I have. Don't have any more. Comment down below. Let me know. What do y'all think of the beaded bags? Are they gorgeous or are they gorgeous? I know they are. I have really been getting in like my black owned bag. Have y'all not seen me? I am just bringing new black owned brands to y'all all the time. Come on now. Come on. Shout out to me. But I've been having a great time exploring and finding so many new black owned brands. Like, yeah, I'm loving it over here. And we have a good mix of black owned as well as like, you know, fast fashion or easily accessible, etc. So I am excited. But I love y'all so much. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at angelleslife and on TikTok at @1angelleslife. Also like this video if you like this video and comment down below and let me know, do we love the bags or do we love the bags? Are you going to be picking yourself up one? I think you should. But I love y'all so much. Thank you for watching and I will see y'all in the next video. Peace.